Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set smart lock in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings. Then go to security. And here select smart lock and try your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. And here you can use three types of smart lock. First one is on body detection, then trusted places, then trusted devices. On body detection means keep your phone unlocked when it is on you, okay, when it is with you. That is when your phone is in your hand or in your pocket or wherever on your body. You don't need to put unlocking pattern or pin or password every time when you try to unlock your phone. Okay, it will stay unlocked as long as you keep your phone within you. Okay, click on body detection and turn on this button and click on continue. And while you are in motion, while you are walking, you walking with your phone, or you are keeping your phone in your hand or in your pocket or wherever on your body, your phone will stay unlocked. Okay, see here. First time you keep your phone apart from you, then take out of your phone, then smart lock will be applied, smart lock will be activated. Yes, your device is unlocked. To lock the device, open the power menu. See here. Now only it is. See here. I don't use face recognition or fingerprint or pin or pattern. Just I keep my phone in my hand, and until I keep my phone in my hand or wherever on my body, it will stay unlocked. Okay, this is first method of smart lock. Then second method, we will see second method. Go to the settings again, then go to security and click on smart lock and try your current pattern for authentication. Then click on trusted places. Here you can add place. Okay, click on nearby places. Okay, any place you can set. Okay, here I add this place. Okay, you can add more than one place. Okay, so during this place, if your phone is in this place, okay, when your phone comes to this place, you don't need to unlock your phone every time. Your phone will stay unlocked. Okay, as long as it is in the particular place. Okay, more than one place can be selected. Click on add more places. Okay, select, you can select another location. Okay, then go back. Now you can add any other devices too. Okay, click on trusted devices. This is third method of smart lock. Click on add trusted devices, so that if your device nearby to your phone, you don't need to unlock your phone every time. Okay, so you have to pair new device like Bluetooth enabled watch or Bluetooth enabled headset or Bluetooth enabled another phone, whatever may be. Okay, as of now I don't have any device nearby my device, so I cannot show this demo only. Okay, but you can use, okay, you can use it normally, like connecting with another phone over Bluetooth. Okay, just like a Bluetooth connection. Okay, so in these three methods you can use smart lock. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.